In today's session, we are going to continue the problems on rotational mechanical system, how to find their analogous electrical system for force voltage analogy and force current analogy. Not force, torque voltage and torque current, because we are now into the rotational mechanical system. So instead of force, I need to use the terminology torque. Okay. This example, which you can see it on the screen, this we have already solved it. I just wanted to clarify one doubt. When we have the steps, you know already, just let me recall. We first find the equivalent mechanical network, we draw it depending upon the number of nodes. Then we write the nodal equations, equilibrium equations. Then जितने nodes रहेंगे उतने equations होंगे. Then we go for force voltage analogy. From those node equations, equivalently we replace each quantity and we write the equations. When we write and draw the circuit, you can see here I have written 1 by C. Okay, why I have written 1 by C? In the expression you can see I have a term 1 by C and K was replaced with 1 by C. That's why I had written that. But however, if you see, you have studied about the capacitance, charging and discharging of the capacitor. You generally write C as, the term, the C into dV by dt, right? You know this already, the charge Q is equal to C dV by dt, right? Hence, or in order, you can write this even in the expression like this also in terms of current. So actually 1 by C you are replacing with K. Okay, K is replaced by 1 by C. However, the term is capacitance itself. So it would be better if I simply write C instead of 1 by C. Okay, even here also I have written 1 by R and 1 by L from the equation. Okay, from the equation, as we had 1 by R and 1 by L, and those values are here, 1 by R and 1 by L I had written. But however, it is better to use L and R directly, because those are our basic elements in your electrical networks. So better this confusion I wanted to clarify. So two problems we have seen, and if you have seen in your WhatsApp groups, I think last night I have given one question to you. It is the question which it looks very complicated, but once you start solving, it will become simpler. So one example, exercise kind of a problem I have given you based on the translational mechanical system, analogous system. Hope you will do it, and you can ping me for it. You can just send your answers. Whoever solves, let me verify that. Now coming to the translational mechanical system. You can see it on the screen. This is the system given, mechanical system given. First identify what kind of system it is. Mechanical system translational hai ya rotational hai? So obviously we have moment of inertia, we have torque, we have angular displacement. No doubt K and B's are obviously, even you can find them, these elements are even common in case of translational mechanical systems also. But however, moment of inertia, theta and T, if you look at these terms, so obviously this is your rotational mechanical system. Fine. So now what is the first step? We should go for its equivalent mechanical network. So how will you go for it? Very first step is you need to check for the number of displacements in the given mechanical system. How many displacements you can see? Angular displacements, theta 1 and theta 2. Two displacements are there. So obviously in the equivalent network we'll be having two nodes. Let me draw two nodes, theta 1 and theta 2. And I know, see, as I have told you, we should, at some distance, we should draw one common reference. Let me draw that also, a common reference. Now, let us identify which are the elements which are totally connected or related to the first displacement, theta 1. Okay? Theta 1 के लिए related कितने displacements हैं? Theta 1 के लिए कितने elements purely connected हैं? Very first thing is J1. Then you can see in the figure there is a reference here, that is surface, and there is a moment of inertia, some body is connected. So in between you will be getting a friction. So even this torsional friction will be there. So B1 ये एक term हो गया, J1 is the second term, and we have got torque also, third term. So three terms are there, three different elements, okay, including this torque, three connected to theta 1. So I have drawn these three. See, there is a torque, there is damper, there is moment of inertia. So these three elements I have connected all together and connected to a reference line. Now coming to theta 2 separately. So second node जो theta 2 displacement indicate करता है, for that let's see how many, purely how many elements are connected to it. There is a J2, okay, one. There is a K2, this is your second element, and even though damper is not shown here, you have a friction here, okay. ये friction कब जाएगा? If you connect some rollers, right? Then that can be avoided. But here it is a free space, so you have to consider this friction also. B2. So three elements purely, and you can see K1 is also there, but the difference is K1 you have both ends free to move. So well, for time being, let's not consider this. So three elements are purely connected, are related to theta 2. So J2, K2 and B2. Let me connect those three in parallel, all three. Now coming to a shared term. So what is the condition? We have already seen the steps, how to draw the mechanical equivalent network. In the steps, nodes हम identify कर लिए हैं individually, each node से कितने elements connected है we have done. Okay. Now about the shared elements. If some elements are shared among two different displacements, two different nodes, then they should be connected in parallel. But यहाँ पर तो एक ही element है K1. अगर और दो होते या तीन होते तो we could have connected them in parallel in between those two nodes. But यहाँ पर सिर्फ K1 है. So let me connect that K1 here. Okay, this is your equivalent mechanical network. Fine. Now coming to the steps followed to get the analogous electrical networks. Very first thing is we will go for equilibrium equations or torque equations, which you already know. In the previous sessions we have seen for simple circuits, for simple mechanical systems, we have gone for free body diagram, then force or torque equations, and finally getting the final answer. So here also you can do that, but it will be a bit lengthier. But now as you are now into the higher version of the problems, the problems are a bit bigger. So let us not go for free body diagrams, but even though you can, for practice, you can go for it. You can draw free body diagram for J1 and J2. Check for J1, what is the applied torque? You have T. How many opposing torques are there? There is a B1, that is a TB1 and TJ1. I have written here, okay, just for your, as a sample, I have drawn the free body diagram. There is an applied torque in this direction, and opposing torques are in the opposite direction. And if the total applied torque is T, sum of the opposing torques, it will be equal to T. And what is a TJ1? You know how to write the equation for this moment of inertia. J1 d by dt square of, why it is theta 1 I have considered? It is theta 1 because this J1, the body is purely for the element, this element is purely for theta 1 displacement. And TB, which is a B1 d by dt of theta 1. Again, why I have taken theta 1 only? Because this is also for theta 1 displacement only. Coming to TK1, which is a shared element. K1 is a shared element between theta 1 and theta 2. Hence, in the equation, I have to specify K1 theta 1 minus theta 2. Why it is theta 1 minus 2? Because I am analyzing for theta 1 at the node theta 1. So I have to take the difference, this minus this. But if I am analyzing for theta 2, it will become reverse. This first and then the next. So this will become theta 1 minus theta 2. This is your equilibrium equation, as this is for node 1 I'm talking about, theta 1. Coming to theta 2, again you can go for free body diagram. So for theta 2, no applied torque, so I have not shown anything. I should have shown here theta 2, I forgot that. So theta 2 ek specify kar lo. How many torques, opposing torques will be there? How many elements are there? Those many opposing torques. Check how many elements are connected to the second, that is theta 2 node. You have J2, hence TJ2, TK2 and TB2. So these three are opposing torques, and there is one more torque because of the shared element, TK1. So these four torques, I have shown it in this direction, opposing torques. And according to this Newton's law, if we equate them, no applied torque, 0 is equal to sum of these opposing torques. And TK1, I think the sequence I have changed. What you have to do, first you write TJ2. Okay, this is for that. J2 d by dt square of theta 2. Why it is theta 2 only? Because J2 is purely for this element is purely for second displacement, theta 2. And B2 d by dt of theta 2 plus K2 theta 2. All these three elements are for theta 2. But when it comes to K1, it is a shared element between theta 1 and theta 2. This time if you see, it is theta 2 minus theta 1. But earlier case, it was theta 1 minus theta 2. So two equations we get, equilibrium equations or torque equations. Fine. So this is your second step. First step is drawing the equivalent mechanical network. Second step, getting the equations. So दो nodes हैं आपके पास, so दो equations आएंगे. Now coming to the torque voltage analogy. Torque is missing here. Write it. Torque voltage analogy. So very first step is in the analogy. From that table, you refer the table, you have to memorize it. List what are the equivalent identities. This is your basic thing you have to do before going for the actual solution of the equations. So torque is replaced with the, I am talking about voltage analogy. So torque is replaced with voltage. Moment of inertia is replaced with the inductance. Hence J1 is L1, J2 is L2. Agar diagram mein J3 hota, to I would have taken J3, one more, L3. Okay, but since only we require two, J1 and J2, so L1 and L2. Similarly, B1 is R1, B2 is R2. Resistance. K1 and K2 are 1 by C1 and 1 by C2. K1, K2, K3 is there. In the figure, K3 is not there. No, J1, J2, B1, B2, K1, K2. So only two terms are there, even theta 1 and theta 2. And how thetas are replaced? They are charged, Q1 and Q2. So this is your equivalent quantities I have listed. Now this will make your work easier. No need to again turn the pages every time and check what are the equivalent quantities. If once you list this, then you referring this, we can go for the analogous quantity conversion. Now we have two equations we have got at node 1 theta 1 and at node theta 2. So what we will do, we will write the equivalent equations at these two nodes. Which two equations will take? This equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. So coming to equation 1, what I will do, there is the torque, there is the J1, there is theta 1, B1, theta 1, K1, theta 1, theta 2. All these quantities I will replace with the equivalent quantities. See, torque is replaced with V of t. Then J1 is replaced with L1. And it is d by dt square. In the equation you have square. So I will write it, this differentiation in this form. D by dt of d by dt. 2 times differentiation of theta 1. Okay. Both are same. This is square, I have written it like this. And even I have to replace this theta 1 also. So theta 1 is replaced with Q1. So I have replaced with Q1. Then B1 and theta 1 I have to replace. B1 I have replaced with R1, theta 1 is Q1, and the last one K1 I have replaced with 1 by C1, theta 1 minus theta 2, that is Q1 minus Q2. So replacement is over. Okay, analogous quantities I have replaced. Then further, let's see how can I reduce it, okay, to our known quantities, because whenever you draw any equivalent electrical network, no doubt R, L, C are the known terms to you. These elements you use it, but charge Q you never use it. Okay, like directly Q notation you never use it in your circuits. Instead of Q you use I, current I. So let us try to reduce this to a known form. So LHS I won't change as it is. L1 d by dt of, what is dq by dt? Dq by dt is your charge Q, current I. So I have written I1 of t. It is 1. This subscript is important because 2 nodes are there. So don't forget that. It is I1 of t plus R1 I have written as it is, d by dt of, again Q1 is there. So this is your current I1 of t, 1 by C as it is. I can write from this dq by dt equation is equal to I can take the total charge Q. Total charge Q will be I into dt integration, right? So I can find the total charge Q as integration of I dt. So I have replaced the charge Q as integration of current. So as it is 1 minus 2, I1 minus I2 dt. So I have simplified. Further, no need to simplify, and don't expand this also, because if you expand it, drawing the equivalent circuit will become difficult for you. You need to keep the things like this only, because you will understand, you will get that this difference indicates this quantity is a shared element. Okay, jab difference aata hai, it indicates it is a shared element. So this is important. Don't expand the equation. So let us define this, denote it as equation 3, because 1 and 2 are already over. This is your equation 3. This is for only at node theta 1. Similarly, I'll go for node theta 2. Hope it is visible to you. At node theta 2, let me refer. You have a 0, okay, LHS. You have J2 theta 2, B2 theta 2, K2 theta 2, K1 theta 1 theta 2. These quantities I will replace with the analog quantities. See, J2 is L2. I have split. The square is written as d by dt of theta 2 is Q2. And B2 is replaced with R2. D by dt of theta 2 is replaced with Q2 plus K2 is replaced with 1 by C2, and theta 2 is Q2 plus you have K1, a shared element at the end, I guess so. Let me just confirm. Yes, you have a shared element K1 theta 1 minus theta 2. So K1 is replaced with 1 by C1. Theta 2 minus theta 1 is Q2 minus Q1. So I have replaced all the analogous quantities. Now further I can reduce this, क्योंकि charge Q के बदले में हमको current चाहिए. So L2 I have kept as it is. D by dt of, what is dq by dt? It is current. So it is I2. The subscript is a 2. So I2 of t plus R2 d by dt of Q2 is I2 current plus 1 by C2. Charge can be written as integration of the current. Here you have seen. Charge can be written as integration of IDT. So I have written that Q2 is there, so it will become I2 plus 1 by C1 as it is. There is a difference, so let that difference be same. Instead of charge, integration of I, that is I2 minus I1. Don't expand the bracket, keep it as it is. Let this equation be denoted as equation number 4. So equation 3, 4 are our equations to draw the circuit. Okay. Hope you are understanding and following how to solve, how to proceed. Even if you are not getting immediately, at least half part bhi samajh mein aa gaya to please go through the videos again and again. The links are available in your HRMS. You will understand the problems. Here solving variety of problems is important. Understanding the basic concept is further more important. Okay, let me just zoom out so that दोनों equations मुझे एक ही screen पे चाहिए. You can zoom out and you can zoom in and check. आपको अगर थोड़ा बड़ा चाहिए तो. This is one equation and this is one more equation. From these two equations, I will try to draw the equivalent electrical network for torque voltage analogy. Okay. When it comes to torque voltage or force voltage, earlier we have seen things are connected in series and we will be having जितने आपके displacements थे, जितने nodes आपने draw किए हैं, θ1, θ2, those many number of loops will come here, right? So θ1 and θ2, we had two displacements in the given system, hence we will be getting two loops. Let me just मैं ऐसे ही mark कर लेती हूँ. So roughly अगर आप pencil से करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा. So I will be having two loops and ये जो first loop है current I1 के लिए होगा, ये जो second loop है current I2 के लिए होगा. Right? ये तो हो गया. And applied voltage is V of t. तो आपको क्या करना है? Here connect a voltage source. Fine? इतना तो हो गया. Now in equation 3 and 4, what I will do? I will search for the elements which have only I1 first. Okay, पहले loop में मुझे component elements को draw करना है. तो let's see how many elements have got purely I1 term. You can see this has I1. So ये जो L1 component है, it has got I1. This R1 component, even that has got I1. Okay, ये दो components है purely I1 related. But if you see this, ये shared element हो जाएगा. Okay, will not consider this. Coming to equation 4, I2 है, second L2 is related to I2, R2 is related to I2. Okay, all are I2 terms. So I1 के लिए सिर्फ दो हैं, L1 and R1. So what I will do here in the first loop, I will draw L1 and R1. Okay? These two terms are purely the elements of the first loop. Similarly, ये जो दो equations हैं, इनमें से I will search such elements which are purely I2 related. First equation में तो ये दोनों हो गए. Okay, I don't want these. The third element is a shared element. Okay, it's a difference. Coming to equation 4, you can see L2 is purely I2. Even R2 is having purely I2 term. Okay, even 1 by C2 is also having I2 term. Okay, all the first three elements, L2, R2 and 1 by C2, all these three are having I2 only, but only the last element, it is a shared element. Okay, and ये जो last आप observe करेंगे, दोनों में same है. Equation 3 में भी है, 4 में भी है, just 1 minus 2 या 2 minus 1. Okay, so shared element अभी हम नहीं, we won't touch it. L2, R2 and 1 by C2. These three things I have to connect in the second loop. So what I will do in the second loop, mark this L2, then R2, and 1 by C2. Okay, 1 by C2, no need to write 1 by, just connect a capacitor C2. This is your second loop. Now coming to a shared term, observe In equation 3, you have this last element a shared term. Equation 4, even this is a shared term, which is both 1 by C1 only. So what I will do here in the circuit, in between this, it's a shared element between two loops. Here I will draw a capacitor, and it is 1 by C1, so it's a capacitor C1. So this is how your circuit looks. Just compare. This is your circuit. Hope you understood this. Coming to the torque current analogy. Again, torque is missing. Actually, I had written force there, so I have used whitener. I forgot to write torque. Torque current analogy. Again, we will follow the same steps. First step, we will go for the listing of the analogous quantities for torque current analogy. So I have listed it. You can verify. Torque is replaced with, or the analogous quantity is current, I of t. J1 is capacitance C1. Since we have J1 and J2, I will use J1 and J2, C1 and C2. And again, these are also B1, B2 we have. So I will replace it with 1 by R1 and 1 by R2. K1 and K2, 1 by L1, 1 by L2. Now, theta 1, theta 2, they are the magnetic flux linkage phi 1 and phi 2. Now writing the equations for theta 1 and theta 2 nodes. First equation, I have replaced the torque with the current I of t equals to J1. J1 is C1 d by dt square of phi 1, which is actually theta 1, plus B1, which is 1 by R1 d by dt of theta 1, which is phi 1, plus K1, which is 1 by L1 theta 1 minus theta 2, which is phi 1 minus phi 2. So analogous quantities I have replaced. Then a small reduction, how I can further reduce, क्योंकि आप जब circuit draw करते हो, the circuit will be in terms of voltages and currents. Generally, it won't be having this flux, okay, the symbols. So that's why I have used this equation. d phi by dt is equal to EMF, which is V. So from this I can get what is phi, right? So first term is C1 d by dt of phi. How I have written this first term? It is d by dt of, and one more time d by dt of phi 1. So what is d phi by dt? It is voltage. So that I have replaced, and that to the subscript is 1, hence it is V1, plus 1 by R1 d phi by dt is voltage, so that to V1, plus 1 by L1. How I can write phi from this equation? d phi by dt is V. How can I find phi from this equation? Phi can be got by integrating the V over the time. Hope you understood this. d phi by dt is equal to V. So what will be d phi is equal to V into dt, or total phi is equal to integration of V dt. Okay, so that I have replaced. Phi 1 minus phi 2 is integration of V1 minus V2 over dt, and don't expand it. We require this. This indicates a shared element. Let this equation be denoted as equation 5. ये एक node का हो गया. Similarly, we will write the equation for another node. We don't have any applied torque. 0 is equal to J2, that is C2, d by dt of theta 2, which is phi 2, plus B2, which is 1 by R2, d by dt of theta 2, which is phi 2, plus we have K2, that is 1 by L2, theta 2, which is phi 2, plus K1, which is 1 by L1, theta 2 minus theta 1, which is actually phi 2 minus phi 1 flux. Now further I can just remove that flux in terms of voltage. I can make C2 as it is, d by dt of d phi by dt is voltage. I have replaced V2. 1 by R2, d phi by dt is V2, that is voltage. Subscript is 2, hence V2, plus 1 by L2. Phi can be given as integration of V dt. So I have written that V dt plus 1 by L1 integration of, there is a difference, phi 2 minus phi 1. So V2 minus V1, that is integration of V2 minus V1 over dt. So I have further reduced it. Don't expand this bracket, keep it as it is. Let this equation be denoted as equation 6. Now 5 and 6 we will use to analyze and draw the circuit. Hope you're following. At any point of time you feel anything confusing, difficulty and not understood, you can just put it or unmute and ask me directly. Now I want these two equations. This is your first equation. This is your second equation. From these two equations, I will draw the circuit. Okay. Now, in earlier case, first we have seen that जितने आपके nodes हैं, जितने displacements हैं, उतने loops होंगे for torque voltage के लिए. Now coming to torque current, जितने displacements, जितने nodes होंगे आपके पास like displacements theta 1, theta 2, उतने nodes रहेंगे circuit में. Okay, so let me just mark roughly. Shall I draw it here? It will be easy. This is your first node, this is your second node. Okay, blue colors. We have a current I. So what I will do, extending here, I will use a current source. Okay, and generally it will be like this. The structure will be like this roughly. Roughly I am drawing. Okay. Now once the current source is denoted, I will first look for those, I am talking about the first node, that is the theta 1, which is nothing but phi 1 or V1. So for phi 1, what I will do, I want those elements, okay, in which voltage V1 is purely there. So आप equation 5 and 6 में check करो. C1 is having voltage V1. This R1 term is also having V1. Third, no, it's a shared term. Will not consider. Only two, I guess. Okay, बाकी के तो equation 6, if you observe, all are having V2 voltage. So C1 and R1, two terms are there. So what I will do here, I will take from this node a capacitor and a capacitor, and I want one more what? A resistor, R1. This is your C1, this is your R1. Okay, this is node 1 is over. Now coming to node 2, I want those elements which are having purely V2 terms. Check, C2 you have, R2 you have, 1 by L2, L2 you have. So three terms are there, C2, R2 and L2. So where is the node? Here it is. Okay, phi 2. If I take this as phi 2, from this I want three different values. So one extension I will take this as C2. You can take any one first, no problem, because anyhow they are in parallel, voltage remains same. There is resistor, hope it looks like resistor, R2, and inductor also. I'll not take one more because already I have here मैं यहाँ पे इंडक्टर कनेक्ट कर दूंगी. दिस इज योर L2. Now coming to the shared element, 1 by L2, sorry, 1 by L1, which is a shared element between two nodes. So यहाँ पे जो दो nodes हैं, here in between I will connect inductor L1. This, orange color what I am encircling, this will give you the equivalent current electrical network, torque current. The clear picture is here. Whatever I have just shown you here, you can see ये जो वाला part है, मैंने उसको ऐसे draw किया है. No need to bother. You can draw in either ways, no problem. And voltage parallel connect करना है. In torque current or force current, we connect the things in parallel because voltage remains same in parallel circuits. And in case of torque voltage or force voltage, we connect the things in series because that is current. Current remains constant. Hope you understood this problem. Only one problem we have solved. I have one more problem here. If you want, I'll continue with one more session and solve this problem, or you want to take this as a work. It's up to you. Ping me so that I can take one more session, or should I drop it? Stop it.